Tony, now to another high-profile murder case. The state rested in the trial of Christopher Taylor. Taylor is the Austin police officer accused of murdering Michael Ramos in April 2020.
Taylor's attorneys gave their opening statement and began calling witnesses earlier today. KVUE's Isabella Basco is live at the Travis County Courthouse with more about what the defense had to say today. Isabella?
Well, Brian and Ashley, defense attorney Doug O'Connell promises to bring the jury a complete picture and all the facts. Now, this comes after the state brought in their last witness, a use of force expert and law professor. Seth Stoughton testified about his take on the shooting. During the defense's cross-examination this morning, Stoughton says it's not in his position to say what an officer has to do or doesn't have to do. His job is to assess whether or not an officer acted consistently or inconsistently with generally accepted practices. Here's how the state wrapped up testimony from Stoughton.
Applying generally accepted police practices, an officer in Mr. Taylor's position could not have identified from the available information an imminent threat of death or great bodily harm that would justify the use of deadly force.
After the lunch break, the state rested their case and the defense gave their opening statement. Defense attorney Doug O'Connell saying witnesses will range from trainers in the academy, one of whom taught Taylor how to shoot a patrol gun and what went into that course, as well as an SIU detective who will speak about the car Ramos was driving when he got shot.
We're confident that you will determine that Chris Taylor's actions were reasonable given what he was perceiving in the seconds before he had to take the shot.
After the opening statement, we've seen at least 3 officers testify on behalf. So some of the testimony that officers gave, one officer explained why officers are equipped with an AR-15, while another officer gave his take on the de-escalation that happened with Ramos.